Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. This is SC366 Flamethrowers. Basically, it's a lighted car. And this is the original one from 1970s, Aurora AFX. And this is the last of the series. It's the Plymouth Roadrunner, a 1971. Let's see. Where was I in 71? I was living in the Imperial Trace Apartments in Toledo, Ohio, next to the Franklin Park Mall, buying slot cars. That's how I got into this. I was buying ThunderJets at the Hobby Center in the mall. That's what I remember. 1971. I was 12 years old. I was born in 59. I was 12 years. I was 10, 11. No, I was 11. Okay, now this is a nice looking car. This is the yellow one. That's the yellow Plymouth Roadrunner, 1971 Plymouth Roadrunner. They had a beautiful front end, okay? And that's what people loved about it, is the front end. And that's the Plymouth Roadrunner, and that is the Flamethrower. Now see how every car is different? Look at how this car, absolutely as smooth as a baby's bottom. And these are flamethrowers. So at night, when you race these, you can see you can see the lights coming from the bottom of it. But see, it's based on power. Okay, it doesn't have a capacitor, which would be neat because the capacitor would then give power. The capacitor would then charge up, and then when you let off the throttle, it would still have enough power to keep the light lit. But see, here's what happens. Watch. Okay, so we're going to just give it a little bit of power. See with a little bit of power, there's a little light. See, a medium power, full throttle. But see, you're running it like this. So when you do that, the light's going to go off and on. That's why if they had a capacitor, which they couldn't do, the capacitor, that would solve the fluctuation of the power. And this is SC366. SC366. What did I do to that car? Holy moly. Oh, I know what. I don't have it in the body right. You got to make, what the heck is that sound? What is beeping? And this is SC366, and this is the 1971 Roadrunner, and this is the yellow with black stripes.
The front end is what they like?
Yeah, I think the front end is really cool. But they do love the way that looked. It had a very unique look. Now, the problem with cars now, they all look the same. They all look garbage. There's not a single car, and the only ones that are any good nowadays are the retro cars. Because you know, okay, that even the Corvette doesn't even look like a Corvette. It looks like some unbelievable. Anyway, this is SC366.
Leave it out, you gotta do the blue one.
What?
Leave it out, you gotta do the blue one.
Oh, that's right. Okay, so that's the yellow one. And this is going to be the blue one. These are the other cars. We got the Camaro, we have the Nomad, and the GTs. The Ford GTs. And this is the blue Plymouth Roadrunner, the blue one. This is even prettier with the blue stripe. It's kind of like a match. It's exactly, but they've got a white roof on that one. Holy cow, that guy slid off the road. Look at that. Look at how that's sliding around. And this is SC366. So Auto World comes out different releases, and this is called their Flamethrower series. And these are the 4 different cars, 2 different colors of each car. And these are the 2 Plymouth Roadrunner, 1971 Plymouth Roadrunners. These are brand new cars. We just got them in stock at ProTinkerToys.com. We have all 8 cars in stock. Hey, how are we doing on the, after we've shipped everything, how are we doing on the red one? Or the orange one?
I'm gonna, Mark just put them back into stock.
And how many?
I think it was like 15 or something.
Oh, we still have 15.
We
Well,
better
we've got
get
about-
them. That's, I mean, that goes quick.
No, I know. Okay, so we have all 8 cars, okay? And these are the Plymouth Roadrunners. And these are available at ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button. And also, when you're, and tonight at, well, normally on race night, I kind of go into detail on some things about cars and everything, which we're going to do that tonight. We're going to work on the police car a little bit before the race, and we're going to work on these Ford GTs. So we're always tinkering around with our layout over there. And this is the 4-lane layout that we race at ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. These are some of the cars that we have, like some of the cars that we race. This is a collection that you could build. And there's one thing about there, you can never have enough cars, guys. It's like, how many books do you need? I know people that keep buying books. Well, the same thing with slot cars. If this is what you like to do, is like to have fun doing this, then build your collection. Build a cool collection. This is the Bel Air Heat. I'm wondering where that. I wondered where my car was, and I found it over here. This is the 2 Bel Air Heats. This is available right now at ProTinkerToys.com. ProTinkerToys.com. I'm the only one that has these cars. Awesome, baby. Awesome. Awesome. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button. Thank you very much for coming to ProTinkerToys.com. ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button, and give it a thumbs up. Bye.